Hey everyone, I'm Lindsay here with Gardener Supply Company. Today we're showing off our wicked big dibber. Say that 10 times fast. You may have heard of a dibber before. It's a deceptively simple looking tool, but ours has a couple of extra features that's going to make gardening and planting much easier for you. It's made of ash, so it's super lightweight. It's got a really comfortable handle, and there's no black plastic or metal that'll crack or get hot in the sun. When we hold it vertically, the dibber can be used to make planting holes for you to plant a whole bunch of things, from flowering bulbs to garlic to even transplants if you're thinking of moving your seedlings out of pots and into your garden. The dibber works by punching a hole in your planting surface, and if you see, our wicked big dibber has a bunch of markings engraved at 1-inch intervals, so therefore you can plan exactly how deep you need to make your planting hole. You can roll this gasket to your desired depth. Say you're planting a tulip and you want a 6-inch deep hole. You can twist gently, get to your desired depth, pop it up, and put your bulb in. Fans of no-till or no-dig gardening will really appreciate the wicked big dibber's ability to make a hole for planting without disturbing nearby plants or roots, or having to flip over sod or dig up the rest of your garden. The wicked big dibber can also help you directly seed right in your garden bed, as well as plan out the spacing of your rows and plants. So when dragged across your garden bed like this, you can make a nice, neat little row for you to directly seed your seeds in here. And this is where the spacing comes in again. Using these green gaskets, again, we can plan out how far apart we'd like our individual plants within a row. And we can also use this to plan out the rest of our garden bed by setting up the spacing between multiple rows. So if you've got something that can be planted close together, again, moving the gaskets close together. If you've got something that needs a little bit more elbow room, like your cucumbers or tomatoes, you can set the gasket for a farther apart spacing. The dibber can be used to plant garlic quickly and conveniently without disturbing other plants already in the bed. The wicked big dibber can be used to make a hole 4 to 6 inches deep for your larger bulbs like tulips. Or it can be used for smaller bulbs and cloves like garlic, irises. The wicked big dibber can be used to plant everything from seeds to bulbs to transplants with minimal soil disturbance and minimal effort. For wicked easy planting, check out our wicked big dibber.